What's up, guys? It's the Samurai Jake 93 here. I got a special little unboxing video today. Super excited. Those of you who know that I love Chimera. I've been covering their entire Impossibility of Reason album, and I finally found Rob Arnold's RA600. So let's go check it out together. What's going on? Got a special little unboxing today featuring my dog Daisy here. Let's get right into it. Super excited. Alrighty, guys, we're in. Flip her around. Get rid of this. Man, been trying to get one of these for a long time now. Super excited. This is Rob Arnold's signature guitar from around 2008. It's been out of production for quite a while. It's a beautiful looking guitar. These things are pretty rare nowadays. Super lucky to have one. I'm gonna go ahead and get some close-ups. Maybe we'll plug it in and give her a test. Alright, I got her plugged in. Let's see if we can tune it up a little bit and get some riffs going. Super sick. The neck is super smooth. Not quite in tune, but close enough. It's in standard tuning right now, otherwise I'd probably be playing a Chimera riff, but we'll get that fixed shortly. Alright, so I tuned it up a little bit better, just to run through some more riffs here. Hey guys, just want to thank you all for coming and checking out my RA600 with me. It's been a lot of fun. Stay tuned for more covers and things in the future, and I hope to see you all soon. Oh yeah.